Clark, what are you doing?
Putting the colors on the tree, the green tree.
Yeah. Do you want me to turn it so you can get more?
Yeah.
Yes, please. Are you having fun?
Yeah.
Do you know whose tree this is?
Yeah.
Whose?
Dad.
Yeah. How did you know that?
Because it was Mom's and mine and Daddy's.
Oh. Can you say love you?
Love you.
Miss you.
Miss you.
See you soon.
See you soon.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Look at the camera and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.